What's good, YouTube? This your boy Hub, Bandman Rio. Look, I got work in a couple hours. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna go get this straightened up. But look though, look. Excuse me. Hey, Hood, have no what? Fear. Mr. Bandman Rio is Hub, man. Stop playing. Y'all need them. Y'all need the sites, and y'all want to learn how to make not CPNs with trade lines and shit. Let me know. I'm gonna show y'all this shit. I'm doing classes for $200. Just to let you know, this is for education purposes only. I do not know what the fuck I'm talking about. I am not encouraging nobody to do fraud. If anything, I'm trying to show you how to do your regular personal. Yeah though. So tap in. I got the keys to that. Really, like I don't really y'all can just tell my energy on the on my videos and stuff. Y'all know I got got what I got going on. So y'all already know I don't really need to show y'all proof for that. If you go to my most recent video, it's down below in the description. It's a link to it. Y'all gonna see all my primaries, installment loans. So tap in. We gonna get some money together, man. Everybody that's subscribed to me, y'all finna get rich with me. For sure. Hey, y'all, kiwi is so fucking good too. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I like that. But let's do business though. Go. And I'm sure how to make an actual AU trade line. Primaries, I don't know how to make them. I get them from this site. So that's how I be able to do people CPNs with success, you know. So let's get it, man. Y'all really let's tap in. I learned this shit in like 2 months. Add like what I know now with the trade lines and shit. And look, stop buying cheap trade lines. $50, 75. Them people finna scam y'all. Yeah, I'm finna go get my shit together. I look all rough and shit. Yeah, y'all. Peace out.